So here is our Husqvarna, and you can see that the cover is all ran over, busted, whatever happened to it. But you can get a new cover like this, and if you go to the link in my description, I will have all the information that you need. So we're going to take this off with a 9/16. Alright, so after taking that off, this is what it looks like. Go ahead and take this washer off. Take this off. We're going to clean this up a little bit. Easy and simple to do with one of these. That'll clean up real nice. Alright. Just like that. Washer goes in there. We did put a little lubrication on there, so that'll go on there. This goes back on and all set. Easy as that. Back to normal.